Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Kayo ba ay nahihirapan sa lugar at sa espasyo ng inyong mga bahay? So ako, meron akong fix dyan. Currently, just a little bit of an update. May rerenta na sa aming Casa de Eliam and I need to pull out furniture and place it somewhere. So dito sa bahay, hindi na siya kakasya. We already have a ref, we already have a sofa, and puno na yung mga kama namin dito. So I need a place to put it. Just like probably nai-encounter ng ibang mga tao, di ba? Hanap sila ng lugar kung saan pwedeng lagay yun. Ito, ganyan. Christmas decor, baby stuff na ayaw niya naman itapon. Meron akong favorite place sa Metro Manila which is called Lock and Store. It's a storage facility which you guys can use and store your important stuff there safely. So this video is for that, and enjoy the video, guys. So friends, eto na, nagbabalot na kami ng mga gamit namin. Medyo marami ako i-store. The sofa has to go. Meron daw silang sofa na sarili nila. Coffee table, etc. So, medyo mahirap ang araw na to. Hopefully, ma-store namin na maayos.
Meanwhile,
Nakaimpake na kami. Hirap siya. Let's go! Lock and Store. We're here. Tira tayo ngayon sa Lock and Store. Sukat ng Lock and Store. So, it's like what I've told you. Of course, everybody wants to declutter at home. If you have a lot of stuff that you don't necessarily want to throw it away, store it somewhere safe, which is Lock and Store. Ayan siya. Kita nyo, guys. So, yan yung entrance ng facility. Guarded yan ng passcode ng mga customers. Okay, binibigyan tayo ng sarili nating password para pwede nyo i-access to anytime anytime of the day. So 24/7 siya. Pwede nyo puntahan nyo lang, kunin nyo yung gamit nyo and stuff. So yun siya. Anyway, I'm resting now kasi bababa ulit kami ng mga furniture na tinanggal namin. So ipon muna ng konting energy. Boom! Vlogging break! This is a vlogging break. Grabe, punong-puno na. So, I'll show you guys yung capacity ng storage area ko. But it's 4 square meters. And to fill it up, parang no joke, parang mga 3 to 4 trucks na yung pabalik-balik namin dito. Tapos ngayon pa lang siya mapupuno because of the furniture, obviously. But sobrang helpful nito sa amin kasi syempre, para hindi siya take up ng space sa aming bahay. Voila! Up to the brim. Punong-puno sa loob. Sobrang dami. So, Ang medyo difficult dito sa naging situation namin ngayon, yung Christmas decor nasa loob. So, come Christmas time, ditong December, kailangan ko tanggalin itong mga gamit ito. Pero you guys see my point, di ba? So, kapag may mga gamit kayo na nasa bahay lang, hindi nyo mabibenta kasi may sentimental value, you should preserve it safely. Oh, thank you. Okay, that's it. I'm done vlogging for today. Overall, Casa de Eliam is now rented. And hopefully, matagal yung magre-rent sa amin. And yun lang, malaki na ang aming pamilya. Gumagana yung mga investments namin. Hopefully magtuloy-tuloy. Thank you for joining this journey with us from the very beginning. For those of you who watch until the end, maraming salamat sa inyo. And you know what? I'm feeling generous. If you watch this part of the video, comment down below and I might just give you a giveaway. I will. So our team will get in touch with you guys and see you guys soon. Paalam.